Do you find yourself in need of business services? The search can seem endless these days. With so many choices, how do you find the professional best suited to your particular needs? It's simple when you have the knowledge. Today's local business services expert will shed some light on finding the right fit for you.
Luxury vinyl, that's the latest trend in residential and commercial flooring. Don't make the outdated choice when you update your floors. Vinyl, vinyl, vinyl. People love to hate on you, but I think you are the future of the flooring world. When I say vinyl flooring, you probably imagine the ugly, outdated 1980s linoleum that isn't even vinyl. Vinyl and linoleum have often been confused for each other throughout the years, but vinyl has taken off in a big way and linoleum, well, hasn't. If you haven't been following the vinyl flooring trend, and chances are, unless you work for a flooring company, you probably haven't, get ready to see some crazy innovations. In fact, vinyl flooring is a trend all on its own with its hot new looks. Although not all homeowners have caught on to the secret, the vinyl flooring industry is booming. Vinyl itself is trending up, up, up. Similar to tile and laminate, vinyl flooring is upping the ante on realistic wood looks. Once upon a time, realistic wood-look vinyl flooring was unheard of, but I bet if I showed you some current options, you'd never guess they were vinyl. Currently, you will find vinyl flooring available in styles that mimic current wood and tile flooring trends, and even a few vinyl-specific trends as well. Call me, schedule your free in-home consultation, and I will show you what all the excitement is about.
Now that's pretty incredible, isn't it? With the right approach to finding the best professional, the choice is clear. To find out more information, contact today's expert at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.